You do want to have some consistency in there because everybody wants to get stronger. Everybody wants to be able to do one more push-up than they started with in a couple weeks, or lift a little heavier. Even if they don't, I'm not talking about, when I say strength training, a lot of times we think barbell powerlifting. I don't know what happened where powerlifters all of a sudden think they got the lockdown on strength training. All right? That's weightlifting. I'm talking about just getting stronger from where you are. Everybody wants to see improvements, and numbers don't lie. So if you have consistency in there, you have something that is a metric, that you're accountable to that client and they're accountable to you. And I like to have something consistent in there because when my client's going, well, I'm not getting any stronger, and I go, well, I know what I'm doing works because I got hundreds of other clients. I train the NFL's fittest man, Steve Weatherford. I know this shit works. How are you sleeping? How are you eating? Well, oh, okay. You know, I can only do so much. If you go home and eat like a lazy teenager, I'm not saying we're getting on stage, but, you know, you're only going to go as far as the other things that you're doing. So sometimes it makes them more accountable to have some metrics.